When I started here, the two buildings were in dire need of some renovation. HVAC systems didn't work. The department would flood because water would pour in under the door. There was only a few windows in both buildings. It was not office or people-friendly. The Arc of Washington County is the largest developmental disability provider in Western Maryland. We provide supports to over 450 people with developmental disabilities. We decided to do a capital campaign and do some renovations on our two buildings. We chose Scott Bowen and his organization.
So we've actually been working with ARC for quite a long time. And when it came time for a major renovation, we were fortunate enough to design a space that works for them.
You have a lot of people that need offices, but you also have other spaces like the training rooms, space for clients, places for everyone to eat. You have conference rooms and boardrooms, and all of that needs to work together and make sense from a flow pattern and also for the way that they work. The way that we did that was by looking at stars and constellations. And the reason we did that was because the Arc of Washington County has a great fundraiser program, which is called Dancing with the Stars. So for them, we chose the constellation Lyra. It's a musical constellation. So we laid that over the floor plan and picked points. And that's where all of our centripetal and centrifugal point work from. So that's where you get that push and pull. And you can see that in the floor plan of this building where you see these big swirls starting to form. You can start to feel being pushed around the space.
What I think we did really well in this building was really branding the space for them. We really used their color schemes well throughout the building, including at the entrance we have sort of this bright orange canopy out of metal that will stand the test of time.
I probably like the canopy the best, but a close second is the administration hall that has a little nook in it for seating, and within that nook you can see the constellation Lyra all over again.
The training rooms are fantastic. The renovation now has two training rooms that'll accommodate somewhere between 40 and 50 people. Computer lab, it has 15 computers for our staff and the people we support.
In addition to helping out with the architecture, I've been on the sponsorship committee for Dancing with the Arc Stars for 10 years. They're in their 11th year now. In year 10, they asked me if I would dance. I said I would dance. We were able to raise a lot of money, even got a donation from my cousin, who is a client, and honestly, that was the most important donation to me, regardless of everything else. So it was a lot of fun.
Scott and his team were fantastic. They're tremendously easy to work with, great communication. They were the perfect choice for the work that we wanted to get done here.
Just seeing it all come together is what's great. You know, solving all those problems, it really is a team effort.
This is what I wanted, this is what they wanted. That's an amazing feeling.